Ready to ace your permit test? At Aceable, we've got you covered. Today, we're tackling some of the toughest questions you might face. So take your time, grab a notebook, and let's make sure you're ready to do this thing. Question 1. At an uncontrolled intersection where you can't see cross traffic until you're about to enter, what's the speed limit? Is it A, 15 miles per hour, B, 25 miles per hour, or C, 20 miles per hour? The answer? It's A, 15 miles per hour. With blind intersections where visibility is blocked by things like trees or parked cars, they require extra caution. So slowly edge forward until you can see clearly before proceeding. All right, question 2. Even if your car can handle a sharp curve at the speed limit, should you slow down? A, yes, because there could be hazards you can't see. B, no, it's legal to maintain the speed limit. Or C, only if the curve has strong inward pull. The answer, it is A. Yes, always assume there might be something ahead, like a stalled car. So slow down, just enough to stop safely if needed. All right, question 3. What is the main purpose of broken yellow pavement lines? Is it A, to indicate no passing zones? B, to separate lanes of traffic moving in opposite directions? Or C, to mark areas exclusive for buses or emergency vehicles? The correct answer, it's B, to separate lanes of traffic moving in opposite directions. Okay, moving on to question 4. If you're towing a trailer on a freeway with 4 lanes, where can you drive? Is it A, the far right lane only, B, either of the 2 right lanes, or C, any lane in your direction? The answer is B, either of the 2 right lanes. Stick to the rightmost lanes unless signs indicate otherwise. Moving on to question 5. What does a white painted curb mean? A, loading zone for freight or passengers. B, loading zone for passengers or mail only. Or C, loading zone for freight only. The answer, it's B, loading zone for passengers or mail only. With painted curbs, they come with specific rules. Like white curbs, they are short stops for passenger or mail pickups. All right, let's move into question 6. What is the first thing you should do if your brakes fail while driving? A, shift to reverse. B, exit the vehicle immediately. Or C, pump the brakes to build up pressure. The answer, it's C, pump the brakes to build up pressure. Okay, that's a great start. Now, be sure to check out parts 2 and 3 to make sure you are ready to roll. Still struggling with these tricky DMV questions? That's okay. The permit test, it's hard, we get it. We created a course that prepares you for the permit test with hundreds of flashcards and practice questions. So, go ahead and boost your confidence for test day with Aceable's Permit Test Prep course. Click the link in the description below to start studying.